Hi, this is actually from a real training session where I was teaching one of my intern the basics of manual pitch correction inside Cubase using VariAudio. For the demonstration purpose, I took a voice from someone who is not a professional singer, and this makes it interesting to correct a few things and understand. This wasn't recorded originally as a YouTube video. This is from directly the raw training session, so I thought of sharing because some of the explanations could be useful. So without talking much, let's get into the session. আমি যেটা দেখাচ্ছি সেটা হচ্ছে basic pitch correction. If you follow this, you will understand the basics of pitch correction and you can follow along once you have this video. So this is a recording of not such a professional singer. It's a recording of a hobbyist basically who is a devotee of universe. He has tried to sing this song and this kind of a chanting mantra with this track, and this is his performance captured. Okay. And I'm going to pitch correct certain things so it sounds much more professional and correct. Okay.
Yes.
So let's hear it.
प्रथमं तु हरिं विद्या द्वितीयं केशवं तथा तृतीयं पद्मनाभं च चतुर्थं वामनं तथा.
So this much we understand.
Yes.
There are some poor problems in the pitch, right?
Yes.
So সবার আগে এখানে গিয়ে
प्रथमं तु हरिं विद्या.
Pratamam tu harim vidya. So this is which scale?
B flat, D.
B flat. This is a B flat. B flat major or minor?
Major.
So you can play with the MIDI keyboard or keyboard if you have, or any instrument that you have. You
Yes.
connect it here. See, I have a piano MIDI, and I have switched on the monitor over here, so I can play and check. So this is B flat. So the first notes will be B flat, D, and let's see what he has done. Then we can correct it. Okay.
Okay.
So first I will do is I will select this event. So this much is only
प्रथमं तु हरिं विद्या.
Pratamam tu harim vidya. This much. Okay. So I'll double click. It will open the audio editor,
Yes.
and then I will make it full screen
Okay.
with this button. Okay. And here you will go inside VariAudio on the left side. Okay. VariAudio. You follow my mouse, and here there is one button called Edit VariAudio. Okay.
Okay.
You click on that, and it will start analyzing the notes, the pitch.
Okay.
Now you can see the pitch. So listen to it, what he has sung.
प्रथमं तु हरिं विद्या.
So it should be B flat, D, and here you can see clearly. This is, if you hover over it, you can see that is A, and this is G sharp. This is C, this is D. And if you cannot see it properly from here, there is a button to zoom this, so you can see clearly the note names. Okay. So this is A, G sharp, C, D, which is totally wrong.
Yes.
So it should be B flat, D, right?
Yes.
Man. Pratamam ta 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 ta.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
So
Yes.
B flat, D, D, C, D sharp, D. This should be the thing, right?
Yes.
But he has sung totally
प्रथमं तु हरिं विद्या.
something different.
Something different.
So we can correct it.
Yes.
So it should be B flat,
B flat.
B flat, put it to B flat, B flat, D. So C is a passing note which he has taken, which is not a problem. Then we put it into D. But see, this we will follow this curve. This is the voice curve.
Voice curve.
So it is going a little bit sharp towards D sharp. So here is the handle. This is called straighten pitch.
Straight pitch.
This is a center handle. Okay. If you put the mouse here, now it is getting straightened. This is straightened. Here we can straighten it a little bit. Straighten this so it becomes within B flat. B flat
Flat.
মানে A sharp. Okay.
Yes.
Then this one in D. D.
प्रथमं तु हरिं विद्या
D sharp D.
D sharp.
प्रथमं तु हरिं
So this one will be B. C. Correct. It will be C. This one also will C, right?
Yeah.
And from here you can straighten it or there. See, this is going out of C into B. এটার মানে যে কার্ভটা কোথায় চলে গেছে, কার্ভটা বি এর দিকে চলে যাচ্ছে। তো এটাকে সিলেক্ট করে আমরা এখান থেকে একটুখানি স্ট্রেট করলেই চলে আসবে। বা স্ট্রেট করার আরেকটা উপায় আছে, যদি এখানে না পাও, ইফ ইউ ডোন্ট সি দ্য অপশন টু স্ট্রেটেন ফ্রম হিয়ার, ইফ ইট ইজ টু স্মল, সামটাইমস ইট মে অকার, বাট you will do is you will select this and from here you will see straighten curve. Just straighten it. Okay, nice.
Yes.
Now it's C. So see, this is also going, but you will listen so it doesn't sound robotic. Because in human performances there are certain imperfections which is actually good, which makes a human different from a robot.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
So we will preserve as much as possible, but it should sound correct and smooth.
Correct.
It should not sound bad. If it sounds good, it's good. Even if the pitch is incorrect, even if it is out of the scale, like suppose if he sings B but it sounds good, then we'll preserve it. So you have to take that decision. But for you, for now, তো তাহলে কি হলো?
प्रथमं तु हरिं विद्या
Vidya. This will be Vidya. He played. He played this. But what will be? It will be D sharp D.
प्रथमं तु हरिं विद्या
Vidya. Right?
Yes.
It will be see D sharp. So this is D sharp. You can see if you hover over this, mouse টাকে এর উপরে নিয়ে গেলে তুমি দেখতে পাবে কি নোট।
प्रथमं तु हरिं विद्या
Correct?
Yes.
Done. Now see this tail is going down. If you can cut it here. If you hover over the normal mouse, you will see a scissor tool. Just click and put it on D and straighten it. See, the tail becomes much more fantastic.
प्रथमं तु हरिं विद्या
Correct?
Yes.
Now technically it is correct. Every pitch is correct, right?
Yes.
This can be a little more straightened. Okay?
प्रथमं तु हरिं
Play with the music. একটু আগে থেকে শুনবো সবসময়।
प्रथमं तु हरिं विद्या
Right?
Yes.
Now it is sounding a little hard tune, robotic. Right?
Yes.
It is understandable যে এটা টিউন করা হয়েছে, not a natural performance. But there is a trick with which you can make the natural performance to preserve the natural performance. So it sounds a less robotic and less it can be understood that it has been tuned. সেটা কি করে করা যায়? So if you hover into any of these notes, you will see this one. If you hover, see, if you zoom in this corner, left corner and right corner, the top ones, top left and top right, there are two handles like this, triangle shaped, right? If you just put it here, it will শুরুতে ও ন্যাচারাল যেটা গেয়েছিল সেটাই রেখে দেবে। A little bit of the natural performance is preserved, and also in the tail, in the beginning and in the tail. And if you do it in almost everything, the idea is to make the curves smooth and natural. So শুধু স্টার্টটা and ফিনিশটা যদি আমি একটুখানি humanize, this is called humanizing.
Humanizing.
It is not সাথে সাথে টিউন হচ্ছে না, টিউনটা একটু লেটে হচ্ছে, তাই তো? ফার্স্টে একটু ভুলটা করে তারপর ঠিক করে দিচ্ছে। তো এটা মানুষের কান চট করে বুঝতে পারবে না, বিকজ একটু টিউনটা লেটে হচ্ছে, মানে ভুলটা গিয়ে আবার ঠিক হচ্ছে। বুঝতে পেরেছো? ফার্স্ট it is preserving the natural performance for subtle amount of time and then it is correcting the pitch. Okay? This way you can trick the human ears, but it is not always applicable, but it works most of the time. Okay? Understood?
Yes.
So this center one, center এ যে বড় স্কোয়ারটা আছে উপরে, top center, this is for straightening the curve.
Yes.
And this is for maintaining the normal performance. And you can totally move the chunks to every pitch like this. And if you want to move the chunk to maybe between this and this, then hold shift and then move. Then you can move not only directly to the notes like D, C sharp, C, you can even move between. Sometimes it's required. Okay? Because you will listen to it, you will not visualize. এবার শুনে দেখো, it will sound better.
प्रथमं तु हरिं विद्या.
Right? It's
Yes.
sounding less hard tuned.
Okay.
This is the tuning speed you are controlling. এটাই auto tune plugin যেটা হয় ওর মধ্যে করে, but you cannot have that much control that we have here in the manual tuning. Maybe afterwards you put a auto tuner. Okay? Got it?
Got it.
The first thing is, you know, as you have perfect pitch or if you play any instrument, you first check what is the singer trying to sing. First play it on a keys or whatever, then understand the notes, then understand the timing, then do it. Okay, this is the basics of VariAudio pitch correction. There are many other things, but this is the basic, okay,
Basic.
with which you will correct the pitch.
Yes.
And you can correct entire pitch. Then we will come to different things like time correction, more quantization.
Okay.
But this is pitch quantization of vocal performance.
Okay.
I hope this is clear.
Clear.
Okay. So can you do the rest of it if I leave it upon you? So, okay, I'll do one more chunk. So this chunk is done,
Yes.
right? As this is done, I will give it a different color. So how will I color? I will select it. Go here. I will maybe mark this purple. That means this one is done.
Yes.
Okay. Then go to the next chunk.
द्वितीयं केशवं तथा.
Any problem? Dityam Keshavam Tata. Can be. Little. So again, what first thing I will do is, I'm going back. I will click this, what it is called? An audio event.
Audio event.
Very good. Double click it. Make it full screen. Go to VariAudio. Click here, edit VariAudio. You see the notes. What should be the notes?
Da da da. D D D C. C B flat C. B flat. C.
Right?
Huh.
So, but the start note, see, he is coming from C sharp. First we'll listen. It can be wrong, but it may sound right. It can, like visually it may seem that it is wrong, but you have to listen to it.
Okay.
द्वितीयं केशव.
Dvitiya, we can certainly, এবার এই ক্ষেত্রে I am not totally এখানে ছেড়ে দিচ্ছি. In this case, Control Z, I will hold shift so I can move freely and not snap to every pitch. Are you understanding? If I normally move like this, it will snap to D directly.
Right.
I cannot move between C sharp and D.
Okay.
Okay, but if I press shift, I can slightly move towards D, but C sharp and D in between. So it is sliding the notes to the D. Okay,
Yes.
and this D I can put into D a little more.
Okay.
So this C a little C. So this much.
द्वितीयं केशवं.
K da da B flat. This will be B flat, right?
Flat.
Simple. C. This will be D. C. This will be C. And this one.
तथा.
Tata. This will be C only.
Ah.
So he just went down to B, which is not right. So we'll put it to C. Tatha and then Tatha.
तथा.
This is don't need because these are breaths. Breaths are not tuned. Okay. Sibilants are not tuned. It sounds worse. It's better to avoid until and unless it's needed. Sibilant means harsh frequencies like S, T, P. These sounds are sibilant sounds. You leave that. And breath sounds. Nishashir avaj. Leave that. Don't tune it. Whatever it is, even if it shows an incorrect pitch, try to leave it. Avoid it. Okay?
Okay.
So now if you listen, it's much more correct than before.
द्वितीयं केशवं तथा.
Right?
Yes.
So Tatha, this C is little towards C sharp. We can straighten it out a little bit. Okay? And this one, this movement, voice ta কাঁপছে, মানে vibrato বেশি হচ্ছে, is unnatural vibrato এসেছে because he cannot control his voice. He is not a professional singer.
Okay.
So I'm straightening out a little bit.
Okay.
द्वितीयं केशवं तथा
Much better. Now, what is the trick? It is sounding too hard tuned. We can fix it. Why? These handles, right? This handle, this handle, this handle, this handle.
Start, beginning and end.
Beginning and end. If we start doing it a little bit, it will make a huge difference. But you have to listen, not just do it by ear, by your eyes.
द्वितीयं केशवं
See, this is still sounding.
द्वितीयं
This is sounding very. So I can make it a bigger chunk. So you have to listen.
द्वितीयं
Dviti, this one,
द्वितीयं
this one.
द्वितीयं
Much better.
केशवं तथा
Right?
Mhm.
See, this curve is totally straight. এরকম তো মানুষ গাইতে পারে না. Human doesn't sing so like that. There should be some articulations. Then it becomes a much more human performance. Okay?
Yes.
Now listen to it.
द्वितीयं केशवं तथा
Right?
Yes.
Better?
Yes.
Then we will move to the next chunks. Now, what I'll do, I'll color this same color, this one, so I can understand these two are done.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Then you do the next all of this. Okay, so that's it. I hope you found something useful from this session. If you're interested in more such real sessions like this around Cubase, vocal production, audio editing, music production, and the technical side of audio, let me know in the comments. This will help me understand what to share next. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.